Now, good morning squat, some weird movements, but whatever, we got it. This one, open your legs up, all the way up. What's up, guys? I got a workout routine that's gonna build your power. It's gonna build your stamina. That's gonna just get the base of your body together. We're gonna do a leg workout routine today. We're not gonna have no dumbbells this time. We're just gonna get into some movements to open up everything around, all in our midsection, all in our lower areas, our third legs, all that. We gotta open that up and bring the power into it. In this workout routine, we're just gonna enjoy ourselves. You already know we're gonna do 10 exercises, 45 seconds on, with our usual 15 seconds off. And we're probably gonna even have a bonus exercise at the end, probably even with some dumbbells. We're about to get our third leg power. We're about to get cracking. We're about to build our stamina. We're about to build our longevity. We're about to build our girth. We're about to build anything that we want and enjoy it. So get ready for this one. Get loose, get ready, and let's go. All right, guys. So in this exercise right here, we're about to do body weight rear lunges. We're gonna just bring our hands up, so just watch the movement, and you already know, take your time, let's go. Seconds. 5 seconds. I'm gonna do this last one. Okay. Now this next exercise is gonna be the good morning squat. We're just gonna have fun with it. It's gonna be kind of like a laid back workout, but it's still gonna work you. So get your hands like this, and let's go. Back as straight as you can when you go down. This will be the last one. Alright, now good morning squat, some weird movements, but whatever, we got it. This one, open your legs up, all the way up. Try to open your legs all the way up, because we're going to go side to side squat with it. Let's go. Next one, we're gonna do curtsy lunge squats. Take your time with this so you keep your balance and just watch the movement. And once again, like I said, just take your time. If you know what I'm saying, have control with your balance, get some of the rest of them. Let's go. gonna be sumo squats. Get your legs a little bit more than shoulder length apart. And we just about to squat with it. Last one. Okay guys, in this next one, we're gonna do forward post lunges with our hands in the air. Hands in the air make it a little more difficult and annoying, but it builds us. Let's go. And just stay with one leg. Okay, now we're about to do the other leg. As we went in like this, now I'm about to go out like this. Get ready to do the movement. Let's go. Let's ride. Now guys, we're about to go into some wall squats. Get ready for it? Let's go. And we're just gonna relax down here. Feeling it. Okay guys, for this next exercise, it's just gonna be regular lunges. And as you see, we're just focusing, building it. It's all up. Just tearing it up. Get in position. Lunge. All right, for our last exercise, pause squat. So we're just gonna pause when we get low. Then we're just gonna come back up with it. Push up. Okay, I told you a bonus exercise, but don't trip, it ain't gonna be too difficult. Regular calf raises, let's get these juicy. Let's not forget the calves. Get ready, let's go. Great workout, guys. Working the thighs, working all at the legs and all that. Building all around there, building our power. We gotta be able to have our legs together. On the next one, we'll add some dumbbells to it. We wanna make sure we be able to get those movements going. At the end of the day, we wanna be able to move right along with lifting weights and bringing it all together. So at times, don't overlook these body weight exercises. Yes, of course, you do wanna overload, but you at least want to be able to lift your body weight properly. There's a lot of people that's in the gym and they're overloading and they never took the time to lift their body weight properly, so their body is not going to develop properly. It's just what it is. You can't skip steps. People feel you can, but that's not allowed. That's breaking the law of the body. It's just not going to work. So you just take your time with this, because at the end of the day, it's going to be you and your body to the end of the road anyway, so there's no need to rush it. So you want to build natural movements as you get older, right along with adding, some dumbbells and resistance bands and training, right along with getting up in that gym and doing your stuff in the gym. So, you want to bring it all together. Let's not overlook nothing. That's why we want to get on our cardio. That'd be a good thing. We want to focus on our abs. We want to focus on pull-ups and dips. We want to focus on getting in that gym and doing the bench press and deadlifts and key movements that the body needs. So that's our thing. Like I said, we're going to be operating as athletes around here. And when you operate as an athlete, you do it all. So we're going to be in the gym, we're going to be having the weight vest on. And I'm going to show you, we're going to get on it, we're going to do it all. Because this is how we operate. Because we want to be able to move and be strong. At the end of the day, you want to ask yourself what your particular goal is. But you want to look good. You want to look good when you hit the beach, when you're around your woman. You want to look nice. Well, I'm going to show you how to look good. But just being in the gym and not sitting up doing the floor work, doing calisthenic movements, running, that's not going to give you the look you want. You're going to be like some, how some dudes be walking around all feeling like, they can't even move. You can't even pull yourself up. Stop it. This world is small. And we've grown up together whether we want to or not. So I'm right here with you, growing, learning, getting to my next goal, reaching my next steps, like you're getting to your next goal, reaching your next steps, because we have our mini goals in the midst of our regular size goal, in the midst of our ginormous goals. So I definitely appreciate you guys for working out with me. As usual, hit that subscribe button, hit the like, hit all that good stuff. And together we can what? Do anything.